When I was speaking today how to crack the code, how to make really the rail world more secure, cyber secure going forward. Two aspects are important. One is really taking care about the entire system, means rolling stock, infrastructure and all what comes around it. And the other one is taking care about the entire life cycle, means from design to activate the system, to commission the system, to really go in operation and also decommission the system. And all this can only be done if we all collaborate and everybody, every stakeholders in the entire system helps and puts his part into force that we are really cyber secure going forward. The most challenge is that we have an old installed base which goes back 20 years and we have all the new systems. With the new systems we have a lot of design in place, having in mind already cybersecurity. With the old systems, 20 years old, there was no focus on cybersecurity. So we need to update, upgrade the old installed base, making sure that at the end, the entire fleets, the entire system are cyber secure. For me, it's very important that the different stakeholders, the different people involved work very closely hand to hand. The best example for me is the Cyber Defense Center, which SBB. So we work together closely with the colleagues in Switzerland to come up with processes which embed the basic know-how, but also the expertise about anomalies, about analysis, about what needs to happen at what point of time in the operation, combining this both, making sure that the Cybersecurity Defense Center from SBB is most effective. With our expertise about different projects, different stage of projects, institution, execution, about different elements, be it rolling stock, different rolling stock like locomotives, high-speed trains, or even infrastructure, we can bring a broad picture and really can make sure that, for example, vulnerabilities are taken care very, very fast in a quick cycle time. And also we understand, for example, intrusion detection as a SPET.